proper treatment of polluted air is further gaining importance for foundries all over the world. But it's not just about environmental standards or workers' health. It becomes more and more important to provide a working environment that attracts top qualified personnel. Cleaner facilities and installations support lean and effective production processes. With increasing cost for energy and CO2 emissions, energy efficiency in air treatment is crucial. We are convinced that our ULTRAVENT equipment offers excellent solutions for these challenges. We are very proud to present the third generation of KMA's ULTRAVENT air filtration equipment. We did a detailed assessment of our product and then redesigned the complete system. We are very happy that we can now offer a product to our customers that shows significant improvements in multiple aspects. This is definitely the best ULTRAVENT filter we ever had. Thanks to the electrostatic precipitator, ULTRAVENT already had a very low pressure loss when you compare it with mechanical air filters. Yet, with ULTRAVENT III, we have achieved to once more reduce pressure loss. Combined with our new standard fan units, we have drastically reduced energy consumption. A new ULTRAVENT III now consumes up to 70% less than ULTRAVENT II. And compared to mechanical filters available on the market, it is 85% less energy consumption. When operating the filters on a daily basis in multiple shifts, ULTRAVENT III enables significant savings in operating costs. You can even further reduce energy consumption if you adjust the frequency of the fan to the specific amount of fumes in your production. Or you may synchronize the fan speed with the spraying cycle. More than just a positive side effect is that the noise level of ULTRAVENT III is perceivably lower than ULTRAVENT II. Mechanical air filters applied in die casting often are difficult to clean and require regular replacement. ULTRAVENT air filters allow cleaning in place. Filter cells can generally be applied for many years. In ULTRAVENT III, we have redesigned our automatic cleaning system to make it even more effective and reliable. Enhanced standard functionalities support the alignment of filter maintenance activities with production and maintenance processes in the foundries. KMA is thankful for many years of close collaboration with leading manufacturers of die casting machines. Together, we realize an integrated design of the extraction hood as integral part of the die casting cell. Close contact with suppliers of other peripheral devices allows to resolve interferences and to achieve a tailor-made design of the entire die casting cell. Maybe even more important than mechanical integration is what we have achieved in electrical integration of ULTRAVENT in the overall die casting cell. Based on state-of-the-art machine interface technology, the central cell controller communicates with the ULTRAVENT unit. And by integrating operating menus of ULTRAVENT into the central HMI for operating the die casting cell, the operator has all relevant information and functionality at his disposal.